Today we're looking at the all new Lasfit Air Off-Road Air Compressor. We're going to do some tests and see how powerful this thing is. Now I've been using Lasfit's portable air inflator for a while now, so when they reached out to me to show this new unit off, I was excited to show it off to my viewers. First off, out of the box, you get the air compressor, a 26-foot hose, you've got 3 attachments, gloves, and a carrying bag. The compressor itself is pretty hefty. It weighs about 20 pounds. It's got a portable handle up top, but you could also, with this tray, mount it somewhere inside your truck. The airflow out of this unit is insane. It achieves up to 12.35 CFM at 0 PSI. So let's hook it up and test it out. In order to power this unit, it only runs off 12 volts. So you'll want to connect this directly to your battery, and you'll want to keep the vehicle running because as powerful as this thing is, you don't want it draining down your battery. As far as the connection, I was able to set that on the ground and it was just able to reach up to my battery. As far as the air hose connection, you should have plenty of length to make it to each tire without having to move the compressor. So if we leave that there, you can see that if you move all the way over to the back tire, there's plenty of hose length to make each connection. For our first test, we're gonna see how long it takes for my truck tire to go from 40 PSI to 50 PSI. Once connected to the battery, the unit will turn on. You'll use the plus or minus. So let's raise that up to 50 PSI. I also wanna check to see how hot this gets. So right now, it's sitting at 100 degrees. So after running it, we'll see how hot it gets. Now we'll hit the power button and start the timer. So that took about 50 seconds to go up 10 pounds. You'll notice it'll stop and then start back, and that's just so it can recalibrate to fill the tires up correctly. So now let's see how long it takes to do all 4 tires. After pumping up each tire, it took right around 3 minutes and 9 seconds. And then the temperature on this guy has reached right around 130 degrees. Let's check to see how accurate it is by the truck. 3 of the tires are at 52 PSI, so the Lasfit Air is supposed to raise it plus or minus 1 PSI, so it looks like it overinflated 3 of the tires by 1 PSI. Now I want to see how long it takes to go up 20 PSI. We're going to go from 30 to 50. So that only took 1 minute and 31. Just want to check for accuracy with a different tire gauge, and we're reading 51.5. So this is off just a little bit by 1 or 2 PSI. To give you a comparison, I want to take the battery powered Lasfit Air and see how long it takes to raise it 20 pounds. So that gives you an idea of how powerful that off-road air compressor is compared to the battery powered. And this is actually one of the more powerful tire inflators out there on the market. And of course, more power means a higher price tag. This guy's gonna be about double what the portable tire inflator is. I see this being more for people that wanna go off-roading, drop their tire pressure down, raise it back up a lot quicker. And then this one is gonna be for more your daily driver type person that just wants to raise a tire up a few pounds or some trailer tires. As far as storing this, it fits perfectly in my swing case. I'm able to fit the compressor and the hose in there, and I still have room for other accessories. This thing really is an inflation monster. The only thing I wish it did have was the ability to hook it up to AC. Now, if you want any other information on either of these inflators, I'll leave a link in the description below. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this, and until next time, we'll see y'all.